Right, okay, hello Alfredo, it's Steve Lawson here, and I'm now going to show you how easy it is to set up your account, and also going to show you how to make this great Viewtrakr page. It's very, very easy, and I'm going to go through the whole process in this video for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is to set up your new account. So I'm just going to click on this link and fill in your details. So I'm just going to fill this in, and if you're going to be showing this to anybody else, any of your contacts, then this will be a great video to show them. They can see how easy it is to actually set this up. So all I've done basically is added your details in, your email, and you'll get an email come through on this particular email. And I put a password in, which is password 1 in this case. And I've just put in a mobile number, which I don't know what it is, but I can just put in all the zeros. And then I'm just going to sign up. Okay, so here we are. We've now got your sign up page. Now, what you will want to do is you will want to actually go live eventually, because this is going to give you access to a minimum of 500 pages and all of the other options that are going to come with this, which will allow you to actually make money from the video sharing and also from any connections that you make from the networking side of this. So that's where you would go. You would literally just press go live. Now, I'm not going to do this in this demonstration. You can do that later, but I'm just going to set you up on a free trial, and just click on there like that. So here we are. We're now into the free trial, 7 days. Although actually this is not going to be a 7-day trial. You're going to have this indefinitely. So at the top here, you've got various buttons which will tell you bits of information. So here is a button which is a FM upgrade. That's the full media upgrade I showed you earlier. So when you're ready, you can just go onto there and go through the process. But what I'd like to do now is just show you how we're going to create your page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the top here and click on the share button. I'm just going to use my highlighter. So click on this button here. And this, you will see, will take you onto your page. Now, on the free 7-day trial, you've actually got 3 pages here. So when you go FM, this one here, you're going to get a minimum of 500 pages. So what I'd like to do first of all is to create that Tiger page for you. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the top here, scroll to the top, and I'm going to add video. Okay, so I'm going to click on there, and this will be my first page where it says let's play Viewtrakr. Okay, so we're on the first page. I'm going to put my title in. Freedom for Tigers. So that's the title of the page. I'm going to do a description. Let me think now. Bear with me. So I'm just putting a brief description. You can put whatever you want in here, of course. Now I'm going to put some tags. This is very good for the search engine optimization. So this is what's going to help you rank your tracker pages on the search engines in an organic way, so that you get as many viewers to your page as possible without having to pay any paid marketing. So let's just type in tigers in the wild. I'm just putting that in just so that we can go through this quite quickly. Now, of course, what you'll find is you can put in as many tags as you want, and you want to also put part of your description into the tags as well. Okay, so we're now going to find the videos. Okay, so what we're now going to do is we're going to now enter the videos, and down here we've got a YouTube URL link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the page that I did earlier. So this is the original page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go into YouTube for this. Here's the actual video on YouTube. I'm just going to take the URL up here. I'm going to copy it. So I highlighted it, and I'm going to go Control C or Control Command if you're using a Mac, and put that URL into there like so, and then I'm going to just press upload. Okay, so as you can see, that video is now appeared in here. Okay, that's our first video. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to personalize this page. So I'm going to go to here and just click personalize. Again, this is where we're in the, you make sure you're on the right page. So we're going to do this one. Now we're going to change the title, delete that, and put the title of the other one. So I'll just go back. So we're going to have Pepe Tiger. Pepe Tiger. There we go. So that's our title. Now, what we have here is some custom features. So we can customize the color of the title against the background. So I'm just going to check to see what it was. So we've got a yellow. I had yellow here, which you may or may not want to keep. But for the purpose of this video, I'll just keep what we've done before. So I'm going to come into here, and I'm going to click on here and just come down to the yellow. Add that. We've got the tracker page video title. I'm going to leave white. And then we have the description, and again I'm just going to find out that the description we had in white, and again you can change this depending on the background so that it appears more clear. So we'll leave that as white. So that's white there, white, white. Okay, now we need a page description. So what I'm going to do here is put a description in. So I'm going to go back to the original, and I'm going to go back to the actual original page. Let me find it amongst my other pages. Okay, so just going to take this title here. I just need to edit. Copy that. Command copy. I'm going to just paste that into there. So there's our title, as you can see. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a custom wallpaper. These wallpapers are already inside the back office, and you can use any one of these, but obviously we want to make this congruent or appropriate to the actual video that we're doing. So I'm going to just remove this background here. This is the one that's currently in there. I'm going to remove that by clicking on this button. That will remove it. And then I'm going to choose a new background. And I've got one selected. Type in tiger. There it is. click on there, open it, and there is the image there. So what will happen is that will replace this wallpaper when I basically save the changes, but I haven't finished yet. I still need to do some other custom features. So these are buttons. So these buttons here and these buttons here are basically, I'll show you. This is this button here, and there is a potential to have another button here if we want it, if you want it to link to another website. So we've done an orange button here because we've got the kind of orange of the tiger. So we'll kind of stick with that. So button color will be, so I'm going to click on here, choose an orange, that one there. I'm going to choose black for the writing because that will go nicely. So we've got the black and the orange. And we're going to say this is the button that will link back to Viewtrakr. So if anybody else wants to join in your team, they can just click on this button. So I'm going to just put on here, get paid to share videos. And here you can have another button which would link back to your website. So I'm just going to do another one here. I'm going to do it in black, and then I'm going to have the writing text color in orange, and I'm going to put here just my website. So you can put whatever you want there basically, and that will link then to whatever website you want to send it back to. So if you've got another website, you could send it back to there. What I'm going to do is go back. I'm going to just link it to my website, to my page, and you can change this afterwards, of course. So if I just put that in there, then I'll show you what happens. So now I'm going to just save changes. And if you look down the bottom, you can see, down the bottom here, that it's uploading the images. And when that's finished, we can then show you the finished page. Of course, we've only put one video on there at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll put some more videos on shortly. Okay, and it's now finished and it says changes have been successfully saved. So if I now come down here and I click on this button, click on this image where it says current wallpaper. Here we are. Now, there's your video, okay? Now, obviously we would replace these videos here with the others, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go back, just go back to the original page. I'm going to now come back up to the top. I'm going to go to my videos. Okay, I'm going to get rid of these other videos. So I'm just going to come in here. I'm going to go remove, save, remove, save, remove, save. That will basically take these videos out. Okay, so all you'll be left with is just one video at the moment, which is this one. I'm going to move that one there. Sorry, I'm going to that's not working. Go the other way. That's better. Go from the top. Now, for whatever reason, that doesn't want to move, but I think it's because these are all empty. And so what I'll do is I'm going to put the new videos in here. So I'm going to come to the top. I'm going to add video. Again, selecting the page. This is this page here, so we'll keep that. I'm going to add a title, and I'm going to go and take the videos from the other page. So we'll do Dancing with Tigers. So I'm going to click on there, take the URL from the top, copy it, come back into here, add the URL into here. That's like that. I'm going to add my title. So again, I'm just going to copy it. Not that one, that one. Copy that, Dancing with Tigers, copy. Paste. Okay. I'm going to take this here. I'm going to just copy this information, put that in my title, description, sorry, and then just some tags, tigers in the wild. And again, you would put whatever tags represented the page and what you were going to talk about. So I'm going to upload, and there we have the next video in there. I'm going to do again, add video, find the other videos, add this one, go into YouTube, copy the URL, okay, come back here, paste it in, take my title, sorry, wrong one, Playing with Tigers, description, you've only got a select number of words you can use, so just have to decide what part of this description you want to take. That's fine. Okay, yeah. Tags, I'm just going to put tiger. Just doing this for speed. See, I put a great long title in there, so all those are keywords, but it would need to be separated with commas, like that, as an example. Okay, so I'm now going to upload. And as we can see, we've got one more to go in. I'm going to add video. Just make sure I've got the right one. Move that. Right, okay. Add video. I think we want this one. Go to the top, copy, paste, title, The Last Wild Tigers. Get the description. Copy that. Tags. upload. Okay. So we've got one more video to put in. We've got the last wild tigers, playing with tigers, dancing with tigers. And so what we want to do next is get our final video, which is tigers in the wild. That one there. Okay, oh, it's a lovely tiger. Okay, so I'm going to go back into YouTube. I'm going to grab the URL at the top, copy, add video, make sure we're on the right page, enter the URL, put my title in, copy that, put my description in, copy that, put my tags in, okay, and then I'm going to upload, and that's it. So what we can do is we can actually change the order of these videos, how they play, and I think you should be able to just move, literally click on them and move them down, as far as I'm aware. It might be just a question, right? So we've got tigers in the wild. I'm going to move that one down. So I want the last wild tigers, playing with tigers, dancing with tigers, TJ Tigers Run Wild. So that's it. So okay, so there we are. We've now completed the page. We're going to click on the page, and as you can see, now got 4 videos in here. You can actually move these videos around. It's a fantastic page. You can just click on there and watch the next video. And of course, you can go to your website. So if I click on there, that button, it's going to take that. This takes you then to the other page that I created, which is great. So that means that you can send your visitors wherever you want them to by linking this button to whatever website. And if they click on this button here, this will send them to the Viewtrakr sign up page. And if anyone joins up under your link, then you'll be paid commission for that. So it's an excellent way of getting business to your website and generating income through this tracker page. So I'm just going to go back and go back again. So that's it. So you've now got 2 more pages that you can create. When you want to actually go live with this and get more pages, you need to come up to the top, click on the FM upgrade, and fill in all the details, and off you go. And that's it. So hope you enjoyed this, Alfredo. Hope you found this easy to follow, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye for now.